Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with an LG air conditioner flashing the error code CH35, you're in the right place. This code, which might pop up on your 2025 models or others, typically signals a communication issue between the indoor and outdoor units. Don't panic. It's often something you can troubleshoot yourself. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your AC up and running again quickly. First off, what does CH35 mean? In LG systems, this error usually points to a problem with the communication wires or sensors connecting the two parts of your unit. It could be caused by loose connections, damaged wiring, or even electrical interference. Common triggers include power surges, dust buildup, or outdated firmware, especially in newer 2025 models. To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. Check your power supply. Ensure the unit is plugged in securely and that your circuit breaker hasn't tripped. If everything looks good there, inspect the wiring. Carefully look for any frayed wires or loose connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Safety first, though. If you're not comfortable with this, call a pro. Next, try resetting your AC. Turn it off at the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, clean your air filters and coils, as dirt can sometimes interfere with sensors. For more advanced fixes, check if there's a firmware update available on the LG website, download it to your device and follow the instructions. In some cases, CH35 might indicate a hardware issue, like a faulty PCB board or sensor, which would require professional repair. Always remember, if you're unsure or the problem doesn't go away, it's better to get an expert involved to avoid further damage. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling LG error code CH35. I hope this helps you beat the heat. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next video.